this lesson was all about foreground, middle ground, background. We're talking about planes and space, working with bringing in shadows, taking and being inventive with the subject that's in front of you.
In his 50 years in the fine arts industry, Glenn Vilppu has gained fame for his Renaissance approach to drawing and painting. He is represented in collections throughout the US, Canada, and Europe, and has put on over 20 one-man shows. His traditional observational techniques for teaching and drawing have become the standard for professional artists everywhere. In this series, Glenn takes the New Masters Academy team out of the studio and into various environments for on-location landscape and figure drawing.
How do you use basic artistic elements to take and make that sketch of yours even better? Let's go draw.